Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. We kick off with football. The development and progress of the local women's program has taken another hit after the late withdrawal of two teams from the Premier League on Friday. Here's Renata Brown.
The 2024 Jamaica Women's Premier League will be without Royal Lakes and Rangers FC after they both withdrew citing unforeseen circumstances. A Jamaica Football Federation release on Friday night also stated that Veer United would forfeit their game against Real Mobay due to a lack of preparedness. According to coach of Rangers FC, Loxley Henry, the decision to withdraw was made as the team is currently in a bad place mentally.
Presently, we are in a medical situation, in terms of a key member of our team is very ill at the moment and going through a lot. So we have to be from one doctor to another doctor, from one hospital to another hospital, and it doesn't seem possible that she will be getting well anytime soon.
Meanwhile, coach of Royal Lakes, Kadish Fishley, says her club had no choice but to withdraw given their circumstance.
I was also said in the release from the JFF, we are not able to effectively compete this season. It's not about a lack of players. It is a financial decision, and where it would put us as a club, it wouldn't benefit the club in any way. So we thought that the best decision that the best decision is to withdraw and to rebuild for the next season.
Fishley adds that the club will not deny players the opportunity of moving to another team.
A few of them are looking forward to this season. It is not a case of them being dejected. I was pretty upfront with them. I told them I did not want to put them in a position where we couldn't provide certain things, and they respected that. And if they're interested in playing in other teams, I'm not going to hold anybody back. And they are aware.
Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.